Right now, while you're watching this video, someone just made $5,000 using AI and they didn't write a single line of code. Another person launched an AI business last month and they're already replacing their full-time income. These aren't tech geniuses or Silicon Valley insiders. These are regular people who saw the opportunity before everyone else did. If you've been wondering how to actually make money with AI in 2025 and beyond, this video is going to change everything for you. Let's be real for a second. Everyone's talking about AI like it's some distant future thing, but the reality is that AI is already here and it's creating millionaires right now. The problem is most people have no idea where to start. They see the headlines about ChatGPT and AI taking over jobs and they panic instead of seeing the massive opportunity sitting right in front of them. You're probably working a 9 to 5 right now, living paycheck to paycheck, watching your rent go up every year while your salary barely moves. You've got credit card debt that keeps growing, student loans that feel like they'll never end, and maybe you're tired of asking for time off just to go to a doctor's appointment. The truth is, starting an AI business in 2025 isn't just smart, it's one of the best moves you can make to actually build wealth and take control of your time. You don't need a computer science degree. You don't need $50,000 to invest. You don't even need to understand how AI works under the hood. What you need is the right business model, the willingness to learn, and the guts to start before you feel completely ready. In this video, I'm breaking down the 4 best AI businesses you can start in 2025. These aren't theories or hype. These are real business models that real people are using right now to generate serious income. Some of these you can start with less than $100. Others might take a bit more upfront investment, but the ROI is insane. I'm going to explain what each business actually is, why it works, how much you can realistically make, what you need to get started, and exactly who your customers are. By the end of this video, you're going to have a clear path forward. So let's dive in. This is probably the most accessible AI business you can start right now, and it's absolutely exploding. An AI content creation agency is basically a service where you help businesses create content using AI tools. We're talking blog posts, social media captions, email newsletters, product descriptions, video scripts, ad copy, and more. Here's the thing most people don't understand. Businesses are desperate for content right now. Every company knows they need to post on Instagram, write blogs for SEO, send email campaigns, and create YouTube videos, but they don't have the time or the team to do it. Hiring a full-time content writer costs $60,000 to $80,000 a year plus benefits. Hiring a freelance writer costs anywhere from 50 cents to $2 per word. That adds up fast. But you, using AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, Copy.ai, or Claude, can produce the same quality content in a fraction of the time for a fraction of the cost. Now here's where most people mess up. They think AI is just going to do all the work and they can copy and paste and send it off. Wrong. AI gives you the foundation, but you need to add the human touch. You need to edit for brand voice, you need to fact check, you need to make sure it actually connects with the target audience. That's where your value comes in. Businesses don't just want content, they want content that converts. So let's talk numbers. You can charge anywhere from $500 to $3,000 per month per client, depending on how much content you're creating. Let's say you land just 5 clients at $1,000 a month. That's $5,000 in monthly recurring revenue. And because you're using AI, you can handle 5 clients in the time it would normally take to handle 1. You can start this business with less than $50. All you need is a subscription to an AI writing tool, which costs about $20 to $30 a month, and a simple website or portfolio. You can build that for free using Wix, WordPress, or even a Google Doc. Your first clients can come from LinkedIn, Facebook groups, Twitter, cold emails, or even Fiverr and Upwork. Once you land 1 client and deliver great results, ask for a testimonial and a referral. That's how you scale. Let me give you a real example. Sarah from Ohio started an AI content agency 6 months ago. She had 0 marketing experience. She reached out to local real estate agents and offered to write their Instagram captions and blog posts for $500 a month. She landed 3 clients in her first month. By month 3, she had 8 clients and was making $6,000 a month. By month 6, she quit her job as a bank teller and now runs her agency full-time. That's the power of this model. This one is a gold mine, and most people are sleeping on it. Small businesses are losing thousands of dollars every single month because they can't respond to customer inquiries fast enough. Think about it. Someone visits a local plumber's website at 9 p.m. with a leaking pipe emergency. They fill out a contact form or try to call, but nobody answers, so they move on to the next plumber. That business just lost a $300 job because they weren't available. Now multiply that across hundreds of small businesses in every city in America. That's where AI chatbots come in. You can build and install AI-powered chatbots on business websites that answer customer questions instantly, book appointments, qualify leads, and even process payments. These chatbots run 24/7 and they never take a day off. Here's the best part. You don't need to know how to code to do this. There are platforms like ManyChat, ChatFuel, Tidio, Landbot, and VoiceFlow that let you build chatbots with drag-and-drop interfaces. You can integrate them with ChatGPT or other AI models to make them smart and conversational. The setup takes a few hours, but once it's live, it works on autopilot. So how do you make money? You charge businesses a one-time setup fee and a monthly maintenance fee. Setup fees range from $500 to $2,000 depending on complexity. Monthly maintenance fees are typically $100 to $300. Let's say you charge $1,000 for setup and $200 per month for maintenance. If you land 10 clients, that's $10,000 up front and $2,000 in monthly recurring revenue. And because you're using AI, you can handle 5 clients in the time it would normally take to handle 1. You can start this business with less than $50. All you need is a subscription to an AI writing tool, which costs about $20 to $30 a month, and a simple website or portfolio. You can build that for free using Wix, WordPress, or even a Google Doc. Your first clients can come from LinkedIn, Facebook groups, Twitter, cold emails, or even Fiverr and Upwork. Once you land 1 client and deliver great results, ask for a testimonial and a referral. That's how you scale. Let me give you a real example. Sarah from Ohio started an AI content agency 6 months ago. She had 0 marketing experience. She reached out to local real estate agents and offered to write their Instagram captions and blog posts for $500 a month. She landed 3 clients in her first month. By month 3, she had 8 clients and was making $6,000 a month. By month 6, she quit her job as a bank teller and now runs her agency full-time. That's the power of this model.